Speaker sir, I rise to in support of the cut motions and oppose the demands. Speaking on legislature secretariat, Speaker sir, I believe that the government needs to understand that every law legislated in this house is only for the benefit of the state of Goans. Goinkara pasat जावपाक जाय. And it's because जे debate आमगेले हिंगा जाता on the bills and introduced in this house, ये आमका bill जे है, they have to be provided because in advance. Because we are not experts in subjects, we too seek opinion from stakeholders and experts. So because maga dista legislations can't be pushed in a hurried manner. On the listing of demands, because there is a confusion in listing of certain demands against portfolios of ministries. The demands of district session code, I think the Honorable Minister clarified, it was supposed to be answered by him, but it is listed today. They actually come under the domain of the Law Minister. Speaker sir, I would like to specify on an important issue. Je LAQ hai. Ye LAQ, Speaker sir, I am placing on the first 4 pages of the said annexure on the table of the House. Now, this is with regards to the art and culture. Ejir magadista Speaker sir, amka je reply made. Some notifications are uploaded as part of this annexure, and I would like to highlight certain clauses. Speaker sir, since these documents are uploaded in black and white, they are uploaded in black and white, and their entire content is not readable. The reply in the annexure 135, replies are not uploaded in time. Several replies, because they have to be given 48 hours before. Speaker sir, it is difficult for the MLAs to study these replies. Speaker sir, speaking about one reply was also that I would like to point out to you was with the tourism department. Even this particular reply, Speaker sir, my subject is only changed. Ek subject allo, dusro subject ko nudelo. LAQ, I'll give it to you, LAQ number 128, dated 21st/7/2023. The word with is changed to without. The word was with in the thing, it is changed to without. Speaker sir, my start LAQ 6B today's question. In that, Speaker sir, the word caused add kela in the question today that was to you about libraries. Speaker sir, I am placing these original LAQs. I don't know how this is happening, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, this current, speaking on the durations of the sessions, this current session is, like these sessions have to be throughout the year. Now, Speaker sir, I believe that the accessibility to this legislative department, we have failed, and the Honorable Minister needs to look that this complex is accessible to persons with disability. Now, Speaker sir, this government also has failed to introduce any sort of new reforms into this legislative session. You talk about paperless assembly, but we see finally a lot of paper. It is less, but it is not paperless. Now, Speaker sir, J 5 sub-question as a restriction, if you all can consider into that. Now, we also need, Speaker sir, J reply. I believe that someone needs to monitor these replies. Because in these replies, Speaker sir, there are several people, looks like these certain officers are incompetent. I'm saying directly. Speaker sir, I would also urge through your office, if a trainer is appointed for all these government offices. Now, I would really congratulate the PWD Minister for one answer 5B. And that this 5B, Speaker sir, I really deserves appreciation because the officials, whoever have prepared these annexures, every column, every row is done with proper application of mind. I believe this skill should be told to other departments as well. So personally, I congratulate the PWD Minister for this particular answer 5B. 5B, I think it is with the sewage, 5B, dated 7th August 2023, it is really presented well. Speaker sir, speaking on prosecution, I believe that the department must state that how many cases were received in 2023, how many cases are pending and the reasons for pending. If you look in your performance budget, the post of Deputy Director is not filled. There are 12 APP that are vacant. There is an LDC, there are 15 that are vacant. And I also want to highlight and know from the Honorable Minister, there is a provision of 18 lakhs made for outsourcing DEOs. Also, there is a provision of 150 lakhs for professional service in your performance budget. So for what these amounts are marked, the Honorable Minister should clear. Speaker sir, with regards to, I believe that this government needs to select efficient public prosecutors because the cases that they fight on the behalf of the state and the conviction has to remain high and the guilty have to be punished. So this government needs to select efficient legal advisors. Speaker sir, speaking on the Department of Sainik Welfare, now in your performance budget, Speaker sir, under the caption, the benefits, it is stated that benefits are provided by the state government. There is a provision to give compassionate appointment in service in the state of Goa to the eligible family members of the deceased permanently disabled as per the education qualification. Now, you have also mentioned that government has made a reservation of 2% in Group C and Group D category posts for direct recruitments in government departments. I believe that the government must state the number of ex-servicemen appointed under this particular scheme as of 31st March 2023. Speaking on notary services, because the government, I believe, needs to provide these notary services free of charge in rural villages. And it's because there is always a shortage, although the Honorable Chief Minister doesn't agree, but it's a practical thing. There is a shortage of stamp duty paper. 50 rupees stamp papers and all, there is a shortage. Now, Speaker sir, the government should appoint the adequate number of notaries. There is a shortage of these notaries. Speaker sir, what is the progress in the performance budget? Je ek provision kela of 100 lakhs. This 100 lakhs has been made for purchase of land and construction of office premises. So what is the progress on this particular thing? The Honorable Chief Minister or the Minister needs to clarify. With regards to district and session court North and South Goa, court premises, these court premises, because are to be maintained properly. The conditions of these courts are very bad. They are in bad shape. Refurbishment of court premises needs to be taken on priority. New buildings at Mercedes and Margao, they have to be completed soon, Speaker sir. Government must also ensure the timely disposal of these cases. Now, Speaker sir, I do not wish to comment more on the subordinate judiciary in the state, except for the fact that the judiciary itself should realize the need for the quick and time-bound service. But Speaker sir, the Chief Minister should also look and provide the best infrastructure, including air-conditioned court premises to the district and subordinate courts. Speaker sir, speaking on the office of the...
Speaker sir, एकच मिनिटात तुम्ही जर 4:15 पर्यंत म्हणता न्ही तुम्ही उलयता जर म्हाका आन्सर करून
जाल मरे 5 मिनिटां का पार्क होता
न्ही म्हाका काय तू टाइम पळय 3:51
Please be brief. The rest of them want to speak.
दोन मैं आन्सर केन्ना करतो
More six speakers are there. Honorable Leader of Opposition.
4:15 म्हटले 4:15 पर्यंत
Honorable Leader of
10
Opposition.
मिनिटां दिवपाक जाय
Please be brief. 2 minutes.
3 minutes.
या
Two minutes.
So, Speaker sir, J performance budget and on the office of the Chief Election Officer. Speaker sir, the office of the Chief Electoral Office. Now you have made a provision of 180 lakhs under 6 outsourcing DOs, junior stenos and other services. And you have also made a provision of 20 lakhs towards outsourcing of utility attendants for 23-24. For election works, all the staff, Manya Mukhil Mantri or whatever the government gives this staff is given by the government. So, Speaker sir, I expect for what this amount is provided, for what, Speaker sir, it has come to the knowledge that the office of the Chief Electoral Officer, just staff requisitions, it is all provided by the government department. So in these circumstances, making a provision of 180 lakhs for outsourcing junior stenos, DEOs and 20 lakhs for outsourcing utility attendants, you should possibly explain. And the State Election Commission is a statutory body. We expect this to work independently, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, je म्हाका दिसता the State Election Commission should be given complete autonomy. Reservations jenna jata, it should be done as per guidelines. There should not be any scope for any legal dispute on these reservations. Panchayat and municipal election are je inga godla त्या timex because the way wasteful expenditure should not be on court cases, on decisions taken by government. This should not happen because the government has incurred huge expenditure during the last panchayat and municipal elections. So the government's priority should be that reduce the loss on this loss making to the government treasury. Now, Speaker sir, जे election दिसान जे voting जे boothak जी तयारी जो this space जाता, ये म्हाका दिसता because you have to look for creating ramps and whatever. There you have to look at creating a permanent facility at each and every booth. Speaker sir, speaking on the election office, I believe this was discussed here about the office of the dual illegal voting cards. This, Speaker sir, is a very serious issue. Ek Bastin, I was shocked the other day, the thing that Viresh was explaining had 250 people in one house registered. I think nowhere, don't minute, 250.
3 minutes are already up, Honorable Leader of
It
Opposition.
is 2 minutes.
3 minutes are already up. Home
2
Ordinance.
minutes, 1 minute got over. Speaker sir, so the issue of this dual voting card, this also needs to be addressed. The government should also provide, ye je maga dista, to look into permanent election staff if you can. Je teacher, artist, music trainers and music accompanists, ye je jata election act duty. Ye maga dista hui na hui bond जावपाक जाय. Last, कितू 2 मिनिटे उलय. Last,
Apply
Speaker sir.
Begin, Super.
With regards to the administrative tribunal, the government should ensure that the timely disposal of these cases pending before this administrative tribunal. You have to provide again accessibility to persons with disability in these premises, in the premises of admin tribunal court, and I believe the tribunal court should not function in a rented premises. So I request the Honorable Chief Minister to look into this. Thank you, sir.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब.